let's talk about that. And we'll talk about what's in there. When adverse weather strikes on a road trip, things can head south quickly. Your vehicle could get stuck with no immediate rescue. So what do? You break out your vehicle emergency pack. This is my personal setup. Feel free to add or subtract from this kit. I'm not a survival expert, just a mechanic and an Eagle Scout. Each of my vehicles has a similar pack setup. We'll be going through my Sport Track setup since it is the most in-depth. For a reference, here's what the National Weather Service recommends to keep in an emergency setup. Everything could be kept in a plastic tote or spread out in nooks and crannies like it is in the Sport Track. First things first, the bag. A military-style bag with MOLLE is not needed. A simple school backpack will work as well.
Got water bottle on the side. Got a second drawstring bag. We've got a pencil. Thought I had a Sharpie in there as well. Need to add that. We have the Ziploc bag with extra Ziplocs, some plastic utensils, some napkins. This little envelope here has a little bit of cash. Then we have a little notepad that we can write in. In the top little micro pouch here, we have emergency poncho and emergency blanket. That's nice and warm. Socks. Socks are good for your feet. Socks are good for your hands. Enough said. Also have some paracord here. Not needed, but nice to have is some fishing wire. Then we have food. Spam and peanut butter. Now, I keep the water bottle empty because in the wintertime, this would bust right open. But whenever I travel anywhere, I always have at least one thing of water with me. Now for the center console bag. This side, that's where my Sharpie is. Pen, Sharpie, pocket knife. Other side, glass breaker, and another little gimmicky, one of these little gimmicky credit card multi-tools. I designed this to be stuff I'm more readily going to grab that I might need in a day-to-day operation. The very front little tiny pouch, which I forget about all the time, has matches, a card that reminds me what my oil filter type is, a spare key, then I have the cigarette lighter that came with it. I don't smoke, but there might be a time where I need to heat something up or to catch something on fire, so that's what that's for. Now for the main pouch. First things first, we have the winch controller, easily to grab. We have a pack of hand warmers. We've got the bag for an old blanket at one point. Worst case, this can be a little hand warmer or a foot warmer too. Got a walkie-talkie. Now I can use this to talk to my truck radio. You're not supposed to use FRS on ham radio stuff, but in emergency, anything goes. Bottle of hand sanitizer, some chopsticks and a straw, a tiny little first aid kit, small cups and scrapes, another little writing utensil, that's a camera mount, I have some older hot hands in here, a fork, a little battery bank. Then I have a strap I can use to strap something down, and then some spare fuses. And then I have this little light, which I think still works. Yep. So it's a little flashlight and a glow stick all in one. And finally, yep, we have the strap. Finally, I got this work light. Also, it's got a little magnet tray in there, and then I can stick it up, light up whatever I need to. It comes with a little poker stick / magnet / mirror on the side as well. Works pretty nice. The center console one holds stuff I might use on a day-to-day basis. This is more long-term, there if you need it. What I don't have here in these bags, which I keep around the truck, are the blanket in the back. And I'll list off these other stuff when I can remember them. So you might hear that in the voiceover. Insert voiceover here.
Thanks. I'll take it from here. Like Garrett said, there is a blanket, jumper cables, and duct tape stored in the rear seat cubbies. There's a plastic cup in the lower center console. A pair of work gloves and a pair of insulated gloves sit above the console bag. In the bed of the truck, there are traction boards, a shovel, some tools, spare fuel, and a tarp. I do need to add some granola bars with the food items. A candle would also be a good addition to the kit, to take the edge off the cold and for a small morale boost. Maybe I should put this kit to the test. Extreme Cold Survival Challenge?